Hi, my name is Lucas, and today I'm going to be introducing you to the Reverb Robotics single-board computer. We have developed this board to solve the problem of auditory AI for autonomous systems. The board is based on the Raspberry Pi compute module. The board connects to up to 4 digital MEMS microphones for audio input, as well as a speaker connector for audio output. The board can use the microphones to perform speech recognition, where it processes the audio on device and converts it to text, and also text-to-speech, where it converts the text to speech and plays it over the speaker. Next, I'll give you a tour of the board itself. So over here we have this chip, and this is the microcontroller. And this microcontroller connects to the microphones and speakers, and then processes the audio that it receives, and then sends it to the compute module. Up here we can see the Ethernet connector, and this Ethernet connector enables the board to connect to the internet and to other computers on the network to relay the results of the speech recognition and also to receive commands for the text-to-speech and other functionality. The board also supports power over Ethernet, which is useful for industrial applications and robots that provide power over Ethernet. Beside the Ethernet is a barrel jack connector, and this is a power connector that can also power the board. So this is useful if you just want to be able to plug the board in separately. Okay, so this is what the board looks like from the bottom. You'll notice here is the Raspberry Pi compute module, and this is the memory and processor of the board. This version of the compute module has a hard drive installed on the compute module itself, but there is also an option to use the SD card slot over here to install the operating system to an SD card to increase the amount of storage available as well. And down here we see the 3.5mm jack, and this is another option for doing audio output. Next, I'll do a demonstration of how the board works. Okay, so here's an example of the speech recognition. Testing the speech recognition. Hello, robot. So it has recognized my speech and then printed it out. I'll also demonstrate the text-to-speech.
Hello, person.
So that's how the text-to-speech works. So it basically takes whatever text it's given and then outputs it as speech. And everything that just happened was running completely on the board. So right now this terminal is logged into the board remotely over Ethernet. But yeah, all the processing happens on board. And that concludes the tour of the Reverb Robotics board. I highly recommend you check out some of our other videos, such as the video that demonstrates the board being integrated into the iCub humanoid robotics platform. Thanks for your time. Bye.